Okay, and then I am planning to show that how to replace this distributor package and this cap and all parts in there. And then I continue my job. Okay, and when I am planning to take out and open these parts, first part is to take out a little bit these extra items, and now it's good to take out this air filter cover, and I open that air filter cover. That there is one and two these metallic clamps, and then there is this connector that I open, and then I can lift up this cover and carefully open these parts. I move that in this position, and then I take this cable, and now we have more space in that area, and in here we can look that now it's much better to work in here. Okay, and then I open these two connectors in here, and these connectors, when I am taking these connectors cables out, we can take a little bit better view. There are that connector, this connector, and then that one, and opening happens so that I press that area and same time pull out, like in that way. This press and then pull out in this way, and it opens, and same idea in here, press and pull out. Okay, and now these cables are free, good, and then I can open these bolts in here next. Okay, and then I need to open in here 1, 2 and 3 bolts, and I have in here this example part. What I am planning to do, I have in here this reserve part, that we can see that what I am planning to do, and this my system is in that position, and now there is 1, 2 and 3 these holes where is that kind of small screw, and for that opening I need now this 8mm socket what fits in here, that I can open this bolt, and then also small wrench. Okay, and this is like in example, and then I start to open this, and first I take this upper part in this one in here open, and I insert my tool in that kind of position, and it's there nicely. And look, I have a little bit longer bar. There is this 8mm socket and extra bar and wrench. Okay, and then I open this bolt. This is the opening direction. In this way, start, end. This is rotation is like in that way, and then I take my smaller part and I can rotate this bolt away using my hands. Okay, and there is this first bolt. It looks like that, and then there's second similar. It is in here down in this area. And look, when this is Toyota car, these parts are easy to open. There is always space, and in that way I open, and bolts open very easily. Now I rotate my tool, also use my fingers and soon this, and there is second bolt, and then we have one final bolt. Its location is a little bit in here deeper. That side. And now this is my tool. It is in position, and then I only open it. And that area is a little bit more difficult place. So now I manage to rotate. Okay, now it's open, and in same step there was this final bolt, and in same step when I took that bolt away, this cover opens. Normally it opens in that way, but sometimes if it is stuck we only move that, and now this part is free. Okay, and there is then this my distributor cover. It looks like that. Okay, good. And then we can go to check that what is this distributor cover status. Okay, and then I am showing that how we can test that what is this distributor cover status, that is this okay or not. And there is situation that first, when there are those spark plug cables, that we have to investigate that outer area, and there must be situation that no any cracks and leaks. I have a small crack in here, but it is in outer area, it is not so bad. But then when we look in here inner area, there we have more interesting thing, and that's I need a little bit more light. And then when we look in their inner area, we must have some, we have to check all of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those electric connector, those sides, that are they okay. And I start in that place, and this place must be without any corrosion and no too much burnout. This is okay. And then the central point, it looks also okay. And then when I look that side, this is full of corrosion, and this is like bad, because now there is no this right electric and electricity movement. And then second of this, and these parts goes to directly in spark plugs, and it is really bad. And this means that now this thing explains and tells to me that why I have so weak spark in my spark plugs, because there is corrosion, it is like rust. And that second is also bad. And then third one, there is also corrosion and it is weak. Then I scratch little, okay, and even there is some parts, they are moving in out, and there is so much something scrap in here that I can, it is, and this corrosion, what is in here, this is bad. This makes my sparks small and weak. And then final part is in here, and then also this corrosion burn out this my distributor these metallic bars, and that's I need to replace this cover. And I have now situation that I have in here one spare part cover that I can check that is this better, that one, and this is like also. And when we compare in their inner area, I can right away see that these metallic bars what takes contact to spark plugs, they are much better. There is not so much this corrosion. There is a little bit burn out, but not too much. And then when we compare these parts, we can right away see that in these metallic parts, there is much more this metallic material than this my current one. And then there's also this interesting, when I move that, look, it is totally rusty. When I move that big part of this material worn out, it is in here. And this is not nice, because that kind of corrosion what is in my hand, this is like, this is not working. This is like rusty corrosion, and it is in this ground. I can insert I can crush this. It is like sand, and this is not good. And there is another. And then when this is like old one, and in this new one, then I check, there is no that kind of hard corrosion. These metallic things are hard. Okay. And if this parts burn out really much, then we have difficulties to get big sparks to our spark plugs. Okay, and that's I need to dismiss and reject that distributor cap. And next I need to also move these cables in here, and I will do that next. Okay, and then my next task is to take this distributor cover out, and for that job I need one socket. And friends, now this size is it's 12 millimeter, and I take my tool in here, and this my tool is like 2 like 12 millimeter, and then wrench that I can open. And there is really 2 bolts. There is first one, what we can see. There is this first bolt what I need to open. And first I open this bolt, and this is like opening direction, start, end. And that way I rotate. And now it moves nicely. I can use my hand. That way I rotate. And now there's bolt in my hand. And there's similar one bolt in this way. And then I take second, and second is little bit more difficult place. It is another side. I need to insert this my tool in here, and there's just base. Look, now when we look that position, I need to little bit move that we can see that it is little bit in. There's this my tool, and it goes in directly in here, and there's my socket, and there we can see that there is this bolt. It is in here, that bolt. Now I take my tool and I insert my tool in such it goes directly in this down area. There's nice hole, and it goes directly in this bolt. Look. And then I start to open. That my bolt. There's this direction. And now I am opening it that way. And now I take a little bit better view. We can check that when I am opening that. Okay, now I open, and now I can take this my wrench part away, and then I can rotate this final part of this away. Okay, good, and soon this bolt is free, and it is easy to open when this air filter is away. Okay, and soon okay, and there is this bolt. Excellent, and now both bolts are free. Okay, and now when all bolts are free, I can do this. I can take this distributor away, and in that step is good to do so that when this distributor, it must be in one position. It is good that we do some markings in here, that we remember that in what position this distributor must be, and for that purpose we should to have some pencil what makes marks writes every surface. And here I have solid marker. This is like Japanese pencil, and when I rotate that, this yellow color comes out, and this is really excellent color, and we can purchase these solid markers in ebay.com. And now when this even marks in oily surface, and now I do marking in here, that this line in here, that area, it must be in this area. Now I remember that this yellow area in here, its position is this one. Okay, and now it's like it helps to me install this part back in same side, and then when I a little bit move that, I can pull out this my distributor. Okay, and there it is. And then we go to look that closer.